contract dispute could decrease the number of advocates for children in the Marion County court system. The courts appoint those advocates to work with children who have been removed from their homes or involved in abuse and neglect cases. The city recently decided to switch vendors, but a deal between the old group and the new group fell through this week. CBS 4's Jill Glavin looked into what that means for the county's kids.
Our goal has always been that there would be minimal disruption and hopefully none.
A big behind-the-scenes change will happen inside Marion County's family courts on May 1st. And this week, the two groups involved in that change hit an impasse.
We had proposed a period of stability for a few months where, we would keep our employees and we would kind of just learn from one another, but that's not the route they wanted to go.
Paul Jefferson represents Child Advocates, which has run much of the county's court-appointed special advocate, or CASA, program since the 1980s. A change to the county's family courts prompted the city to take over the group's contract, and after an audit revealed issues with costs and record keeping, the city's Office of Public Health and Safety decided not to renew that contract. Instead, it moved it to another group, Kids Voice of Indiana.
We really wanted to make it as smooth as possible, and as well, we wanted consistency there.
Kids Voice had planned to subcontract with Child Advocates, but the two sides have not reached an agreement. Friday, former juvenile judge James Payne expressed concern over what that will mean moving forward.
Abused and neglected children deserve better than what they will be getting on May 1st. This is a complicated system. You can't just walk into it and find out about it.
I went to the city and the courts, where officials told me they do not expect a disruption in services. Kids Voice has long provided similar services in family court, but it will need to staff up and add more volunteers, as well as obtain a state certification in order to keep state funding. Both sides indicated they'll keep serving kids in the county, but the exact impact on current cases may not be apparent until this summer.
Kids Voice is very confident in doing this work.
We wish Kids Voice all the success in the world, because what they're doing is obviously, we think, a very important service, a very important need.
In Indianapolis, Jill Glavin, CBS 4 News.
Jill, thank you. If you're interested in volunteering as a child advocate, we are linked to more information as well as statements from the city and the county at this story on our website, cbs4indy.com.